Hello everyone, I am Passioknit Kelsie and welcome back to my channel. This is another very passionate vlog. We have some things to do today. I just got ready and we're about to leave the house. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Also, I am bringing this little baggie to go in the car. I just wanted something like real simple, no thoughts. So I'm just gonna bring some Juicy Couture and some ponytail holders and make scrunchies. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna go out to eat. I need to stop by my P.O. box, pick up some packages, and I don't know what else. So let's go. There, we're back. We just ran some like real basic errands, pharmacy, P.O. box. I picked up like 13 packages, which we'll be opening sometime. And I made, let's see, just 2 scrunchies in the car. Started a third one. I'll finish that up. We were driving around trying to figure out where to eat. And we tried to go to like new restaurants every once in a while. So we were like trying to make a decision, right? We were driving and we were like, you know what? Neither of us have ever been to Hooters. So I was like, yeah, let's go. Let's go to Hooters, right? Honestly, it was great. Caesar got chicken wings and they were delicious. I just had regular chicken tenders with ranch dressing because that's kind of my go-to. And then I got tater tots because I like me some tater tots. Caesar got waffle fries with cheese dip and he said that was really good. I tried it. It was good. But yeah, the waitress was really nice. The food was great. It wasn't very expensive. I will say the other customers in there were a little weird. But it was good. It was good. We were like, oh no, we're gonna have to come back here. Finished 2 angel scrunchies. Put those up for sale. Other things that we need to do today is pack orders because I put up all of the bandanas for sale last night. And I think most of them are gone. And we have some other older items as well, I think, maybe. I'm not sure. I think there's like 11 or 12 orders to pack. And then I want to put some stuff up for sale. Some stuff, I don't know. Maybe it's just one thing. See right here in this basket, that little cropped t-shirt that we made with the Pride yarn in the Pride video. I need to finish weaving in the ends on it and I want to take photos and put it up for sale because it's just been sitting around here on my desk for a while, so I want to get it out of the way. But for now, what I think I'm going to do is just keep making scrunchies and use up the rest of this, get it out of the way because I've already started it. It should make, I don't know, 2 more scrunchies, I think. I haven't made scrunchies in a while, except for the orange one that we made in the last video. That's done. How many did I buy of these? I think 10. Got 4 scrunchies. I put them up for sale on my website, so we'll see how long they last. Scrunchies usually go pretty fast. And now, let's pack all these orders because they're sitting on my desk staring at me in the face and they need to be put in bags. Okay, first we have a bag for Shay. Next we have an ivory bandana for Lindsay. Then we have a aqua bandana, a pink bandana, and this little orange octopus for Laura. Next is a Nova bandana for Lauren. We have a Nova bandana and a bruschetta bandana for Ashley. I like it when there's two bandanas and they just fit in there perfectly like a little rectangle. Got a striped bandana for Sharon. Striped bandana for Kelly. Okay, we did sell the scrunchies, so we have 2 angel scrunchies and a Nova bandana for Jessica. Is this gonna fit in there? I think yes. Okay, we have a sage bandana, an aqua bandana, and the scrap bandana for Amy. We have a Nova bandana for Sophie. Nova bandana for Lee. We have an ivory bandana and a sage bandana for Aries. Here we go. The only thing that I have left from my last video is one clay bandana, and not clay. I called it clay on my website because I didn't want to type out bruschetta, or someone told me it's pronounced bruschetta, so I just called it clay. But this is the only one left. But I'm gonna go and measure all these and weigh them and tag them, so I'll be back. Okay, well, all of that's done. Now, what we need to do is we need to finish off this top, this little cropped t-shirt. Literally just need to weave in 2 ends, one on the bottom and one on the neckline. And then I'll put it on, take some pictures, make a listing, put it up for sale. I do actually want to see how it looks on because I haven't tried it on yet. So, but first, ends need to be weaved. Woven. Okay, let's go try this guy on. I wonder if it'll look good over this shirt. I guess we'll find out. Yep, there we go. Once again, this yarn is just so soft. I kind of like how it fits in the acrylic yarn compared to the cotton yarn, because this one just like hugs your body a little bit better than the cotton yarn. but I guess it just depends on how you would like it to fit you better. I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos of this on my phone so I can put it up for sale. And we'll see what else we're gonna do today, because this is like the last thing on my list. Probably make some more stuff, you know. That's done. While we were doing that, we sold our other 2 angel scrunchies that we made earlier, so I'm gonna pack them up. This is for Caitlin. Right now, I feel like making something easy, semi-quick, and these yarns have been sitting on my desk for a while, probably about a week, staring at me, and I got these out of my bins whenever we went digging through those. So I'm gonna pair these up, and I'm just gonna make a cotton bucket hat real quick. Hopefully this is just the right amount of yarn. I think it should be. It's 5 o'clock. I really feel like I could take a nap right now, but I will not. I'm gonna push through, finish this hat. I could probably use a snack. Recently I watched the movie Under Paris. It was not good. Basically the movie sucks, but it's funny because, you know, it's one of those movies that's supposed to be a horror movie, but it's just so bad that it's hilarious. So if that's something that you like, you could go watch Under Paris. But just so you know, the whole movie is in French. I'm having a Hot Pocket, and we're gonna watch When Sharks Attack.
There are 3 more attacks along the North Carolina coast. 4 in total. Nearly double the average for the past 30 years. The young surfer is lucky to be alive.
Hey, so I took a really long break, watched a lot of TV, had some dinner, but don't worry, we're gonna finish this hat now. Okay, I finished the hat. Look at it. It is all the way finished besides the tag, which we still need to put on. It looks good. We had pretty much exactly the right amount of dark yellow, although I wish there was enough for the last round of single crochets around the bottom, but there wasn't. Sir. There you go. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is how much I have left of the dark yellow, and this is how much we have left of the lighter yellow, which I can still use this for something. There is quite a bit here. For the rest of my night tonight, I am going to be making scrunchies because honestly, I really enjoyed making the scrunchies earlier. We made 4 of them and they sold immediately, which was great. I get like a really good feeling whenever I make something and pack it within the same day. It's really fun. So yeah, I still have these in my bag from earlier. I'm just gonna keep going with the angel color, and that's what I'll do.
Ooh, that's good. Look at that. Newly fused demons will gain XP based on the stats of the demon fused. So that, yeah, that's gonna be good. So like this game is pretty much like forcing you to sit there and grind everything.
Hello. We finished this last night. Well, I think we actually finished 2 of them. Anyway, I made 6 more angel scrunchies just while I was sitting and watching Caesar play Shin Megami Tensei 5 Vengeance. I put all of these up for sale last night, and overnight we sold all of them, so we're gonna pack these up to start our day. Other things that I want to do is finish this off, tag it. I need to take a photo. Even though it is similar to the last one, I'm gonna put up a new photo because it is like slightly different. The dark yellow is a different color. It's like slightly different. I don't want anyone to be disappointed, so I'm gonna put up a new picture. And yeah, that's what we've got. I'm gonna just tag this first. I got a whole new order of brown tags, if you saw that in one of my previous videos, because we had run out, so I just put in another order for 100 of them. By the way, these tags are from Birch and Cider. It is a shop on Etsy. I've ordered all of my tags from them, and this is fake leather. It got here like super fast. Nice quality. They have like preset laser cutting stuff that you can choose, something that just says like made by hand or something like that, or you can send them a custom logo or like maybe custom text and they'll put it on there for you. Lots of people asked in my last video, or honestly just all the time, so that's where I get them. Here we go. Photos taken, listed for sale, ready to go. Set that aside. Now I'm going to pack the 3 orders for these angel scrunchies, just like real quick, get them out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break, have some soup for lunch, and we should be going to the post office sometime soon. So that's all. Well, guys, sold this, so that's great. This is going to Terry. I have been struggling to stay motivated today. I keep getting trapped on TikTok, doom scrolling. And it's hard to pull myself away. I tried stopping and just watching a TV show or a YouTube video, but nothing was holding my interest. I can't focus today. There we go. I think this is the last thing I'm gonna do today because I just can't focus and I don't want to work. Well, I know that I need to work and I do want to work. Like I want to crochet things, but I can't make myself. So there's that. Oh, we're not going to the post office because Caesar felt sick, so he is taking a nap. So I'll probably go tomorrow. But anyway, that's where we're gonna call it. I am gonna go and just do nothing for the rest of the day. Who doesn't like that? But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Thank you for being here again. And if this is your first time, I hope you come back. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up if you feel like it or not. Subscribe to my channel if you want or not. And I'll see you guys next time. Or not. Bye.